Welcome back. I'm Uday Pratap Singh. The government's proposed next generation reforms of the goods and services tax regime are expected before Diwali in October. Prime Minister Modi has announced this during his Independence Day address. The PM stated the lower tax burden will be a Diwali gift to the common man, small entrepreneurs and MSMEs. These reforms are expected to boost consumption as GST rates on goods such as refrigerators, air conditioners and packaged and branded food items and medical items including medical grade oxygen, gaze, bandages, diagnostic kits are all likely to be cut. In fact, the Ministry of Finance has released a statement saying the reforms will enhance affordability, boost consumption and make essential and aspirational goods more accessible to a wider population. In fact, breaking updates coming in. Sources aware of the development have revealed that as per the revamped tax rates, goods falling under the 12% GST slab could come under the 5% GST slab, while goods falling under the 28% GST slab may come under the 18% GST slab. This comes as we're learning that the new rates of 5% and 18% will replace the older slabs of 5%, 12%, 18% and 28%. A big reworking of tax slabs likely by Diwali, Arzu?
Well, definitely, Uday, in a major announcement aimed at easing the tax burden for the citizen and the businessmen, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has unveiled a plan for the next generation GST reform. And in fact, during his Independence Day address, Prime Minister has mentioned this, and the Prime Minister indicated that these reforms could be rolled out by Diwali 2025, making a significant shift in India's indirect taxation framework. Also, according to these sources, what we're getting to know that the government is considering a rationalization of GST slabs to simplifying the structure and making it more consumer friendly. Under the proposed changes, goods currently taxed at 12% may be moved to the 5% slab, and while item falling under the highest 28 slab could be brought down to 18%. Means these adjustments are expected to boost the consumer spending and also improve compliance and provide relief to the industries, very much relief to the consumers and also
Right.
the middle class people, who have long demanded
In fact,
more